Hello students, in this session we are going to talk about trigonometric ratio of standard angles between 0 degree to 90 degree. These standard angles are 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. To get these values we required two right angle triangle that are 30 60 90 degree triangle and 45 45 90 degree triangle. Here I am taking triangle ABC and triangle PQR as 30 60 90 degree triangle and 45 45 90 degree triangle. We have learned about these two triangles and their values earlier. So let's start with trigonometrical ratios. For this we will make one table. In this table we will just fill out the values. First one is sine and first angle is 0. So let's start with sine 0. If we overlap side AC, that is hypotenuse, with side BC, the angle between these two will be 0. And the side in front of that angle 0 will also 0. So sine theta will be 0. Are you getting me? If we overlap or if we coincide hypotenuse AC to the base BC, then the angle between them will be 0 degree. And the measure of side opposite to 0 degree is 0. So sine theta will be 0. Now let's go to next theta, that is 30 degree. According to the figure and sine angle formula, we get sine 30 will be the side opposite to theta, that is 1, and upon hypotenuse, that is 2. So sine 30 will be 1 by 2. Now go to next degree, that is 45 degree. If we take the side opposite to 45 degree, that is 1, and hypotenuse is root 2. So sine 45 will be 1 upon root 2. Next is 60 degree. If we consider angle theta is equal to 60 degree, the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. So sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. And sine 90 will be 1. Why? Because opposite side of 90 degree is 2 and hypotenuse is also 2. So 2 upon 2 will get cancelled. So answer will be 1. Now cos theta. We know that sine is a complementary of cos theta, and cos theta will be sine of its complementary angle. So cos theta, if we put theta is equal to 0, cos 0 will be sine 90 minus 0, that is sine 90. So we'll get cos 0 is equal to sine 90, that is 1. Cos 30, here theta is equal to 30 degree. So sine 90 minus 30 degree is sine 60. So we'll get cos theta will be equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 45 and cos 45 will be same, that is 1 upon root 2, because 90 minus 45 is 45 only. Now cos 60. If we put theta is equal to 60 degree, sine 90 minus 60 is 30. So sine 30 will be 1 upon 2. Again same thing, Cos 90 will be sin 90 minus 90, which is equal to sin 0, and that is equal to 0. So cos 90 is equal to 0. Now next one is tan. We know the formula that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Correct? So with the help of this up to above two rows, we can find out tan formulas or tan values. So tan 0 will be sin 0 upon cos 0, that is 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1 will be 0. Now tan 30 will be 1 upon root 3, because 2 will get cancelled. 1 upon root 3 will be the answer. Tan 45 will be 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2. Over here root 2 will get cancelled and the answer will be 1. Tan 60 will be sin 60 upon cos 60. 2 will get cancelled. The answer will be root 3. And tan 90 will be 1 upon 0. Over here we are getting 0 in the denominator, so the answer will goes to infinity. So up to this we have find out sin, cos and tan values. Now next is cot. Again cot is tan of its complementary angle. So with the help of tan values we can find out cot values. Cot 0 will be tan 90, that is infinity. Cot 30 will be tan 60, which is equal to root 3. Tan 45 and cot 45 will be 1. Cot 60 will be tan 30, which is equal to 1 upon root 3. And tan 90 will be tan 90, which is equal to 0. So we are getting cot values as cot 0 is infinity, cot 30 will be root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 will be 1 upon root 3 and cot 90 will be 0. Now next function is sec theta. We have learned this formula that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, that is reciprocal of the cos values. Over here if we start with theta is equal to 0, sec 0 will be is equal to 1 upon cos 0. 1 upon cos 0 is 1. Sec 30 will be reciprocal of cos 30, that is 2 upon root 3. Sec 45 will be reciprocal of cos 45, that is equal to root 2. Sec 60 will be reciprocal of cos 60, which is equal to 2. And sec 90 will be reciprocal of cos 90, which is equal to infinity. Cos 90 is 0, so 1 upon 0 will be infinity. Now again with the help of same method, cosec theta we can find out by sec of its complementary angle. So cosec 0 will be equal to sec 90, which is equal to infinity. Cosec 30 will be sec 60, which is equal to 2. Cosec 45 will be sec 45, which is equal to root 2. Cosec 60 will be equal to sec 30, which is equal to 2 upon root 3. And cosec 90 will be sec 0, which is equal to 1. In this way, we have found out all the trigonometric ratio of standard angles. You have to keep in mind this table, or with the help of these two triangles 30 60 90 and 45 45 90, you can easily fill out these values for trigonometric functions. Thank you.